Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. My shop is a mess, and it's time to make a change. Okay, I spend a lot of time out here, whether it's building the project bikes that you guys have probably seen a lot of those videos for over the years, or working on the kids' race bikes. I'm out here a lot. Or maybe I'm out here hitting golf balls because I suck at golf and I'm tired of sucking at golf. Or maybe I'm out here working on my wife's mountain bike. Or maybe I'm in here working on snowmobiles. Man, I work on a lot of stuff. And I'm tired of this space. Let's kind of show people what a disaster my shop is. This is, you know what? I could have tried to clean this up a little bit before we did this video to make myself look less lazy. And I didn't. This is exactly what it normally looks like. It's slightly embarrassing, right? You would think a man of my age would take the time to organize better, do a better job, utilize all of the space, but no, I didn't do that. I always focused on just getting the work done. And I think now I finally made it to a place in my life where I'm like, you know what, dude, we need to push the hold button. We're at the end of the season now, the race season's over, we've got a new project bike we're starting. We're gonna push the hold button on all that, and we're gonna take some time and we're gonna turn this space into something that's maybe a little more user-friendly and not so chaotic. Am I gonna show you myself out here working on this shop? No, you don't wanna watch that. You just wanna see what a disaster my area looks like, and I hope that Video Clark got a good shot of it because it's pretty terrible. So I bought all these cabinets, right, with some toolbox stuff and some more workbench stuff. And I'm gonna take some of the stuff that I have here, these mix-match toolboxes, right? Some of this is gonna go away. We're gonna utilize some of that. We're gonna have a little more bench space. We're gonna have a lot more storage. This, to me, is the spot that I probably absolutely hate the most. These shelves are going away. We're gonna keep the tire rack. You have to have a tire rack down here. You know, this hose thing, that's terrible. I need to have a hose spigot at the back of the shop. We're gonna do a little plumbing. We're gonna probably do a little electrical, put a couple of different outlets. Look at Clark's really punishing me with this right now, showing everybody all the bad stuff. He's laughing at me, it's terrible. So, how long is this gonna take? I don't know, probably a couple of weeks or something. We're gonna start on it when I get back from this little Hocking Hills trip with my wife, and hopefully, it doesn't take too long before we can show you some progress. Until next time.